Hello, friends from YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to reset this Kyocera printer to a factory setup. Okay, this is the model is EcoSys M3860 IDN. Okay, so to reset it, remember all your setting will be lost. Okay, so let's say you connected to the network or you create a wireless key, you change every setting you made is gonna lost. Okay, so to do this we need to press copy mode. Okay, the screen will change, and then from here we type on the keypad 1087 two times, 1087 two times. Okay, and now you see the screen change. Look at right here. That's a main report. So we go with the arrow key up, and we look for number 2, U002. Okay, and look right here what it says, set factory default. Okay, so now to start, we're gonna press this button, the green button, start. Okay, the screen change again, 01 mode 1 all. That means it's asking if we want to reset the whole printer as a factory default. Remember, everything will be lost. Okay, so we need to select it right there and then press start. So right now it's doing it. Okay, so now press switch off. So I'm gonna turn it off from here. And it's asking this device will be shut down. Are you sure you want to continue? The device will not be able to send and receive faxes. All job will be canceled. Yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna unplug it from the back here. Okay, and I'm gonna wait a few seconds, like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna put it back. Okay, so now let's turn it on from the button here. Okay, so now it's factory reset. Okay, so there is nothing configuring. See, let me go to device configuration. Okay, you see there is no IP address, so that means it's been factory reset. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my video. Please give me like, subscribe, check my other videos. I am trying to fix whatever I can. Thank you so much for watching.